After I learned how to make this coconut bread, I'm pretty sure that no baker at your house can make it, okay? So let's start with 15 grams of dry yeast, 2 eggs, 60 milliliters of oil, half a cup of milk, and let's beat everything very well. Then let's add half a cup of powdered milk, 5 tablespoons of sugar, and mix again. The powdered milk is from the brand you prefer. Now let's start adding the flour, okay? Here we're using 600 grams of it and a good pinch of salt. Let's add the flour little by little because it will depend on the brand of your flour, okay? But here I use the 600 grams. Let's go mixing with a spatula and add a cup and a half of water to help us mix it and get to the right texture. Let's put this dough on the counter to make it easier to knead it, okay? Knead this dough until it is very smooth. I recommend you guys to put flour on the top of the counter so the dough will not stick on the counter. Add a tablespoon of butter before starting kneading it. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. The dough has to be like this, very smooth. And while it is growing, let's prepare the filling that it's gonna be on top of this wonder. We'll use just a few ingredients: a cup of coconut, sugar, 2 eggs, a tablespoon of butter, and let's mix everything very well. It's gonna turn into this, okay, as you can see, like a coconut cream. And this is gonna be the filling that will go on the top of our bread. As you can see, guys, our dough has already grown. It doubled the size. Now let's put it on the counter and start cutting it. Here I'm going to divide it just looking at it, but if you want to sell it, it's interesting to wave it first. But if you don't have waving balance, you just have to make it like this. Go making little balls, okay? It's very simple, no secret, guys. And with the roll, you are going to open it. If you don't have a roll, you can use your hands. Then bring the filling that we have just prepared and put inside of the dough this way. Just follow the step by step. As we're going to roll it, put this filling in the middle of this dough, okay? Then roll it like this, like super easy. And just repeat the process until it's over. And if necessary, you just have to make more coconut filling. Take it to the greased form with butter and let it rest for more 20 minutes. Then just put more filling on top of it, like this. And then, guys, let's take it to the preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, okay, for 40 to 45 minutes. And look at this wonder, guys, seriously. I put some condensed milk on top of it, and it's even more delicious. Look at it. Super fluffy, and it tastes so good. Make it at your house, then come and tell me what you thought about it. And this was today's dish, guys. I hope you liked this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10.